Good morning, everyone. Well, as you can see, when we were driving and we wanted to turn right and it was blinking fast, what does that mean? In normal cars, in any cars, when the blinkers turn fast, it's either the flasher or it's the bulbs. Thank God for the Mercedes Sprinter. It tells you exactly what it is. So it shows you that the bulb is out, the turn signal. So we saw that sign and we're going outside to inspect it. After that, we're gonna go to our local auto parts store to order it. You don't have to go to the dealer to get this type of bulb. It's universal, so any local stores, auto parts will find it. All right, let's get to it. Bye bye. All right, as you can see, people, we turn on the hazards, and the right side is not showing. As you can see, the mirror and this is working. The front is not working, but the side is working. Let's see in the back. So we know one bulb in the front passenger doesn't work. The rear is working.
This one? This one.
The turn signal.
This one.
Yep. So we are here. Let's see how he get to it. Wow, one shot.
Just to pull it off.
All right. And here's the new one. You always buy the right one. Exactly. And even Mercedes has the Sylvania too. So that's the same. Beautiful. And here's Shelly is gonna show it. How it goes. It takes 2 minutes, people. And that's it. You click it. You always wear gloves because you don't want to put any fatty acids on the thing. And let's see how it goes in. It goes in like that. And
Okay.
yep, it's locked. Thank you, Shelly. 1 minute 15 seconds. There you go. Now both working.